Looking for the perfect tonneau cover for your Jeep Gladiator? We've got you covered. Stick around as we break down the top 5 best tonneau covers to protect your gear, enhance your style, and tackle any adventure. Let's dive in.
At number 5, we've got the stylish and secure UnderCover Ultra Flex Truck Bed Tonneau cover. This cover is a head turner. The durable aluminum panels boast a sleek matte black finish that lies flush with your truck bed, giving your Gladiator a clean and stylish appearance. The Ultra Flex goes beyond good looks. With its dual-action tailgate seal, you can operate the tailgate whether the cover is up or down. Plus, the carpeted under paneling adds extra protection for your cargo. Need full bed access? No problem. The cover folds into 3 secure positions: closed, partially closed, or fully opened, using dual prop rods that keep it upright without touching the cab. Installing the Ultra Flex is straightforward, but here's a pro tip. Install the rail-mounted LED light early in the process. It's battery-powered, super bright, and easy to use, but you'll want to mount it before securing the rails to avoid any hassle. The UnderCover Ultra Flex earns its spot for its premium design with a flush-mounted matte finish, durability that stands up to weather and road adventures, simple installation and thoughtful features like the LED light. Looking for a stylish and secure tonneau cover? The UnderCover Ultra Flex might just be your perfect match. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have the Alien Sunshade Truck Bed Tonneau cover. This soft tonneau cover is designed specifically for Jeep Gladiators from 2020 to 2024, with or without the UltraTrack system. It fits perfectly on the 5-foot bed, giving your truck a sleek, secure look while keeping your cargo safe. The Alien Sunshade cover is built tough with a heavy-duty aluminum frame and industrial-strength vinyl. It's crease-free and equipped with superior perimeter sealing, ensuring your gear stays protected from rain, snow, and dust. Plus, it's UV-resistant for year-round durability. Installation: it's as easy as it gets. This cover comes pre-assembled. Just place it on your Gladiator and clamp it down. No tools needed, and with 3 built-in horizontal crossbars, you get sturdy, secure support even when it's fully unfolded. The Alien Sunshade cover earns its spot for durable materials that hold up in all weather, quick, no-tool installation for convenience, sleek appearance and excellent fit for the price. Whether you're battling rain or hitting the trail, the Alien Sunshade tonneau cover has got you covered. Coming in at number 3 on our list is the Gator ETX Truck Bed Tonneau cover. This cover fits 2020 to 2023 Jeep Gladiators with a 5-foot bed. It's all about fast, easy installation, no tools or drills needed. In just 10 minutes, you can clamp it on and hit the road. Designed with a heavy-duty aluminum frame and industrial-strength vinyl, the Gator ETX is built to seal out rain, snow, and dust, keeping your cargo safe and dry in any weather. Need bed access? Simply fold the panels toward the cab and secure them with the built-in buckles. Jeep owners love the low-profile look this cover provides. It's sleek, durable, and enhances your Gladiator's rugged style while protecting your gear. Here's why the Gator ETX lands in our top 3. Quick, tool-free installation that anyone can handle. Excellent weather protection for your cargo. Stylish and functional design that won't break the bank. The Gator ETX tonneau cover is the perfect mix of affordability and performance. Next up in our countdown of the top 5 best tonneau covers for Jeep Gladiator is the reliable and affordable oEdRo Truck Bed Tonneau cover. Let's see why this cover is a fan favorite. The oEdRo tonneau cover is designed for Gladiators from 2020 to 2025 with a 5-foot bed. It offers a perfect fit, converting your truck bed into a 100% secure, snowproof, and dustproof trunk, ideal for protecting your gear no matter the weather. Built with double-layer PVC and pre-assembled aluminum rails, this heavy-duty cover is UV-protected and engineered for superior stability. It's made to last through all your adventures. Installing the oEdRo cover is a breeze. Most of the time, no drilling is needed. It even includes waterproof strips for added protection. Just follow the simple instructions, and you're good to go. Users rave about its performance. One Jeep owner shared, "We hit the road with all our belongings in the back. It poured, but everything stayed dry and debris-free, easy to install and looks amazing." It's also super practical, folds easily when you need bed access and locks securely for peace of mind. One user said, "It's perfectly waterproof and holds up well, even at highway speeds." Here's why the oEdRo tonneau cover deserves its spot. Weatherproof design for ultimate protection, affordable price without sacrificing quality, easy installation with no hassle. The oEdRo Truck Bed Tonneau cover offers great performance at an unbeatable price. Let's kick off our countdown of the top 5 best tonneau covers for Jeep Gladiator with our top pick, the Tyger Auto T3. The Tyger Auto T3 fits 2020 to 2024 Gladiators with a 5-foot bed, whether or not you have a utility track system. It's built tough with marine-grade vinyl, aircraft-grade aluminum frames, and stainless steel clamps for easy installation. The pre-assembled crossbars add support and fold back for full bed access, making it super convenient. Users love its performance, keeping cargo completely dry, even in heavy rain. Installation: It's a breeze. One user said opening the box took longer than the install. Here's why the Tyger Auto T3 shines. Durable materials for long-lasting use. Water-resistant design to protect your gear. Easy. Adjustable installation for a perfect fit. The Tyger Auto T3 combines style, durability, and ease of use, making it our top pick.
Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top 5 best tonneau covers for Jeep Gladiator. Until next time, keep exploring, keep upgrading, and as always, keep your Gladiator adventure ready. See you soon.